zKML is bringing AI plus privacy together, and it really might be the hidden gem nobody else is talking about. Hey guys, Foxy's Trading here, back with another crypto video for you guys, and today we are talking about zKML systems. All right, you've probably never heard of it. It is kind of under the radar. It is a high risk, high reward play that I have a small bag on. It's definitely not one of my biggest positions, but I do have it as a high risk play because the returns could be big. So we're going to talk about what the project is a little bit, what they've done, look at market structure, how to buy it, and then we'll wrap it up for today. Okay. So you're probably asking, what even is zKML? You've never heard of it. Yes, I'm sure nobody has. It's a crypto project that combines AI, privacy, and zero knowledge technology to create tools like encrypted chat, private browsing, and a decentralized marketplace for AI models and data, right? So the idea is to let people use AI features, but also keep their privacy and on their chain, on their blockchain, right? So it's very early stages, very early in production. Market cap is very low, right? If we look at it, 9 million market cap, that is nothing. That is nothing, right? So the potential to the upside is major, but there's also a lot of risks, right? You're getting an uncertain project. You don't know the team behind it that well. You don't know how serious they're taking it. So it is a high risk play, and I want you guys to know that. So in the last 18 months, they have released ZK Search on the Apple and Play Store, Zebra Messenger, so they're probably trying to compete with Facebook Messenger, and then Zebra AI. Right? So they are doing some things right. And even if you look at their Twitter, very low, right? Only 19K followers. I'm telling you, 9 million. The community sentiment, though, 95% bullish. So the people that do have it do believe in it. It is only available on Uniswap, however, and yes, it does use ETH. And this is what Uniswap looks like. You can get many tokens here. You can see some of the people that are buying, some that are selling, right? So the volume is up insane in the last 200. It's up 232% in the last 24 hours. That is insane. It is down in price and it is down in market cap. Obviously, we want to see more exchanges being released with zKML, like literally any exchanges, medium exchanges, small exchanges, and then eventually big ones. But being a small project, just starting off, I don't expect them to have any massive ones, right? So they're in phase 2 right now of the roadmap. There's still phase 3 and all these. So we are still very early stages, right? So let's look at market structure a little bit because there's not too much to talk about here, right? So let's have a look at market structure. So it is pretty much at the all-time low. Okay. So there's this massive support zone right here, right at the bottom, right? This is the only breakout we've had, but other than that, we've pretty much been in this box, like literally up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. We had one breakout here, and that is about it. So is this a time to buy? If you want to put a very small amount in for a high potential return, absolutely, right? We are getting into that zone, and we obviously don't want to see it go any lower. If it goes any lower, it's going to be a dead project, right? So you have to be willing to lose what you risk for this project, especially. Like I really want to drill this in your brain: high risk, high reward play. What do I want to see, if possible, going to the upside? We have these pretty much equal highs right over here. I want to see price close above it and then start making its way up, right? So until we don't close above this area, it's gonna be tough. It might trade in that box, but you know, we still have some hope, right? You could look at meme coins. This is not a meme coin. They are trying to provide some utility in the market and in the world. So, you know, it could. I'm not saying it will do anything. You might lose everything. Don't put a big bag in here. So yeah, this is the high risk, high reward play. Make sure you do your own research because I am not a financial advisor. And if you enjoy the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.